Good morning everyone! So, I made this video para ipakita ko po sa inyo what are the products that my clients have ordered and what are the promos that we promote this week. So, I know you are all busy and I hope you would watch this video on your free time kasi marami po kayong matututunan. Okay, by the way, my name is Sarah Jean Gigi Los Santos. I'm a teacher by profession and also a nurse. And I'm doing this business on the side. I am partnered with Mariscalting Nanay through New Beauty Community, and I am inviting you all to join our team kasi marami kayong matututunan dito kasi free po ang mga trainings. And if you are looking for other source of income, gusto mo makatulong sa inyong mga asawa, if you're work from home or working moms and stay-at-home moms, is also for you. And good news po kasi libre lang po ang membership dito. So wala po kaming binayaran, wala po kaming binili para makapag-start. And this company is based in the United States. So talagang legitimate and very stable ang company. So ang company po namin ay nasa distribution company, and we are doing e-commerce or social media entrepreneurship. So ngayon po I am doing this video para ipakita sa inyo din ano yung mga products na in order ng aking clients, madalas in order. And actually we have 200 more products including the beauty gadgets, food supplements. So nandito na lahat. And of course, I have this free opportunity to share with you. So, please watch my unboxing of this video. Ay, sorry, magalaw ang camera ko. So, buksan muna natin to.
So, ayun guys, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa LBC, sa JNT, sa JRS, kaya kung saan naman shipping company. Kasi, if you order to your website, the company will send it to your client and of course to your address. So, kapag nag-order po kayo sa Skin, ito po, meron silang libreng this one, paper bags. So, ayan po, sa bongga. If you want to start your own business, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mga packaging materials kasi provided na po nila. Diba? Ang ganda. So, ayan. It's very, very friendly sa environment kasi gumagamit sila ng mga paper and yung mga materials na ginagamit nila ay eco-friendly. So, ayan po. Ayan. Ng mga paper bags. Ayan po.
Hello everyone, these are the best-selling products. So this is Cyan Whitening Deodorant, organic and with licorice extract. It is multi-purpose whitening deodorant. Pwede nyo gamitin sa siko, sa batok, sa tuhod, and of course, sa inyong underarms. Okay? No stain po sa clothes and 24-hour protection. Okay? Whitening deo. And this is Cyan Hand Sanitizing Gel. So, hindi po siya nakaka-dry ng balat. So, today that there is health crisis, we need to really sanitize our hands more often kasi it will kill the 99.99% of the virus. Okay? This is Cyan Hand Sanitizer Gel. It's gel type. Of course, kapag nag-sanitize kayo ng gel, we also have hand lotion. Okay? And this hand lotion is far different from any other brand. Kasi, meron siyang treatment ingredients. Pwede siya sa mga may sensitive skin, sa may psoriasis, eczema, specifically dry eczema. Kasi ito yung gamit ng papa ko, na dry talaga yung ano niya, yung dryness ng kanyang balat. Okay, if you have skin problems, this is perfect for you because this is derma tested. Okay, all of these products are derma tested. Another one is Cyan Feminine Wash. It is highly recommended by obstetrician and gynecologists. And good news, this is also can be used for your baby bath. Okay, pwede siyang shampoo, pwede siyang gamitin pang baby bath. Okay, so ito yung gamit ng anak ko talaga. And of course, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng urinary tract infection. May iwasan nyo yung mga vaginal itchiness. Okay, and fresh na fresh talaga, okay? And magugustuhan nyo talaga ito. And also, another use of this is you can use it as your facial wash kasi nga, very mild ang pH level, okay? And we also have here, ito naka-promo din ito, Renew Hair Mask. Ito yung ginagamit ng mga client ko. So, ginagamit nila, yung mga may salon. So, ito yung ginagamit nila kapag nag-hair treatment sila sa kanilang mga client. Okay? This is Renew Hair Mask. It moisturizes the hair shaft. So, ito yung ginagamit ko talaga. So, ayan. Kapag chemically treated na yung buhok nyo, ito yung very safe para sa inyo.